You don't need a disaster to ruin your life. You just need a few quiet habits, a few unchecked thoughts, a few lies you keep telling yourself because they're comfortable. The truth is, most lives aren't ruined by one big moment. They're ruined slowly. By waiting, by drifting, by telling yourself this is fine when everything inside you says it isn't. You can have a good life on paper, status, comfort, routine, and still feel like something vital is slipping away. And if you ignore that feeling long enough, you lose track of who you are. You ruin your life by making fear your compass, by doing what's expected, not what's real. By living the same year over and over and calling it stability. You ruin it by surrounding yourself with people who keep you small, by numbing just enough to not feel anything deeply, by performing instead of connecting. You ruin it by lying to yourself about what you want, about what hurts, about what you're pretending not to need. You ruin it by waiting for clarity as if life ever hands it to you, by staying silent, by settling, by avoiding the discomfort that growth requires. No one warns you because from the outside, it all looks fine. You look fine until one day you realize you've spent years editing yourself, managing perception, avoiding risk, and calling it a life. But inside, something's gone quiet. And you know, this didn't happen suddenly. You ruined it the way most people do. One safe, unconscious choice at a time.